Hi lovely berries, and welcome back to another lovely video. Hi, my name is Audrey Loveberry. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the Lovely Berry squad. So on today's video, we are doing our nails and we are trying the new short length acrylic French nails, French tip nails. Comes with 28. It is the Flex Fit 7-day wear, and we are going to do this, and we're going to do our best and get no bubbles at all. And I'm so happy that they have it in the short, because they only had it in medium, long, and real short. They did not have it in the short, so I'm very happy to try this out, see how it looks, and let's go from there. All right. So of course, you know, if you've seen my other videos, y'all probably have 20 of these. 20. So I'm going to use one that is already open, and that actually I can get the glue out, so this is good. It's the same Kiss Pink Gel glue. This one's just in a thicker, and this one's a thinner one. So I'm just gonna put that back on there, keep this one out. I also got some new cuticle oil because I was running out of the other oil. This one is Nail Care Cuticle Revitalizing Oil, Milk and Honey. And it comes with the like syringe, and then it comes with the brush. So we're gonna use that later on. It is apply 1 drop of cuticle revitalizer to each cuticle and massage gently, can be used daily. So I'm definitely going to try and use this daily on my nails so they can look healthy and get better and everything. So it has safflower oil in it, sunflower seed oil, cotton seed oil, olos oil, I guess that's vegetable oil, okay, milk extract, and honey. And then it has fragrance extract, perfume fragrance for it, with vitamin E in there as well. Okay, so yes, this is what I got. I got it off of Amazon. I believe it was like $9 off of Amazon, or was it $6 or $9 on Amazon. I can link it down below if you like. Comment down below, and then I'll link it in the description box. But you gotta comment first for me to link it, okay? So I got this from Walmart, actually. Let's talk about it. So Walmart, well, at least my Walmart hasn't been having very good options of Kiss nails, and that could be because everybody's just buying them up and getting to them before I am. That could be a possibility, or they just don't have it because they didn't even have a display, or at least they haven't had one yet, of the spring edition of the nails and the glazed donut nails. They don't have a display like they did with the Halloween nails. So at least my Walmart is slipping. There are like 3 other Walmarts near me that I could check, but I could also just check a Walgreens or CVS, and they have them there. So right now I'm just pulling my cuticles back here, and I'm going to take the file on the less rough side and just file my nails, because filing your nails, the glue will adhere better when you do this. And the pulling back of the cuticle done. So now I'm going to go in and shape my nails, and y'all seen me do this several times, so I'll just come back once I have all the nails. Alrighty, so we are back, and I have the nails set right here, and we're just going to Put this back in here. Here, so y'all can see what nails I'm doing. And we're gonna get into this. Spread the glue nicely on the nail. And we're gonna take our time. I like to hold it for 10 seconds. Looking cute so far. It's just the first one, Audrey. It's just the first one. I'm just gonna take my time here. Doing my nails can be a stress reliever, especially when life is beating you up. And there's nothing you can do about it. Just let go and let God. And I'm the type of person that I have a problem. Well, I guess, well, just say it like it is, Audrey. I have a hard time letting go of things. So, oh no, we're not about to do that. That was not a good placement. And luckily I was able to, the glue dried before I was ready to place it down good. So I'm just gonna reattempt it. There we go. There we go. I'll just hold it down for 10 seconds. I do a 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi. Comment down below if you've heard of that. Counting in the Mississippis. Oh Lord. Lord. Hey, that's what happens sometimes. It's your finger that's crooked, not the nail. Comment down below if you've gone to a salon and they telling you that you put your finger like this. It's your finger that's crooked, not the nail. But we gonna continue because when it'll fix itself. I mean, like when I say it'll fix itself, like it'll be okay. Like it is what it is at this point. There's no bubbles though. There's no bubbles though. But yeah, I have a problem with let me stop saying problem. I have what did I say before? How did I word it? Sometimes your wording can help you or not help you. So it's all about how you say things. Lord, what's going on? Why can't I do this? But yeah, I have a problem. I'm dealing with it. How do I say this without being negative? I am working on letting things go. And when I say letting things go, like literally, I'm not holding on to the wheel. I am going day by day and just working on myself, because myself is the only person that I can control. So doing my nails makes me feel better because my nails are getting done by me. And I'm able to just concentrate on that and not let my mind wander. You know? trying to find hobbies to keep myself, more hobbies to keep myself busy. If you've seen the other videos on my channel, I do fitness. It's been a minute since I been to the gym, but I have this week started going back, started walking because it's really nice outside. It's really nice outside, so I started walking, getting out there, and being outside, that it helps, you know, free your mind and get you some clear air, and not just being in the house and stuck around things that remind you of the issue or the situation at hand. What kind of things do y'all do to free your mind of the stresses of the world, the stresses of your mind, the stresses of your body? What relaxes you? Or hobbies that will help you. Comment down below, let me know what y'all do. What else? I was thinking about, I used to read, but that was like in high school, like 9th, 10th grade. I feel like I fell off of reading in 11th and 12th grade. I just gamed more. Used to play The Sims on my PC. Well, I say PC, on my laptop. I used to be addicted to Sims, like, and I see on TikTok how they have like Sims 4 and how they have mods and stuff, and people just, it's kind of like GTA, like, oh, GTA is Grand Theft Auto if you don't know, but it's kind of like GTA, and it's like crazy. And I think I'm interested. It's just me actually buying it and doing it, you know, your actions. Let us actually do what we say this year. You know, we say a lot of things, but do we actually do it? Do we actually mean it? Doubt and what if comes into play. Not being accepted, not being loved, the fear of that. We are almost done. Yeah. For some reason, my thumbs, they usually come out perfect. And they're the last ones to come off. Like the glue, like my thumb and the glue just love each other. Look at that. Pretty. Very cute. Love it. Sorry for the... There we go. Very cute. In love. Y'all know, like, if you've seen my favorite nail sets, I think either it was favorite nail sets of 2022, the French has to be it. Okay, so look, this is how it looks. And then it comes with a little brush that you can put in there as well. I'm kind of intimidated by the syringe. I don't want it to spill on me. I don't want to use too much. Okay, so let's see. Ooh, I feel fancy. Feel like the fancy TikTok girlies. I should make a TikTok. Hold on. Of me putting this on. Let's make a tiki-tock, tiki-tock, tiki-tock. Let's make a tiki-tock. Of me putting. Showing it to them. I'm not even having to it's just coming off the syringe. Like, I'm not pressing nothing. It's just coming off. Tiki-tocky all done. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Took, what, 15 minutes? Less than 20 minutes? In and out. Well, yeah. Nice and done. French tip set. Look at that. I love Kiss products. Chris, bring the salon home with Kiss every time. Every time. You know. I had that happen to me one time, but anyways, it's okay. It still look cute. You can barely tell. But yeah, that's gonna be the end of today's video. Check out the short French tip acrylic nails by Kiss, and make sure you have subscribed if you haven't already. Turn on those post notifications so you know when I post a lovely video, vlog, nails, fitness. I'm gonna do more fitness, and just comment down below. Make sure you like. I really appreciate you watching my videos, coming all the way to the end here. Thank you. Have a great rest of your day, great rest of your night, great rest of your week, great rest of your weekend. Much love. Much. Ooh, ciao. Much. Oh, haha. There we go. Much love. I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Oh, coming back. Yeah, it smells really good. It smells really good. I like the way it smells as well. Very nice. This is what the short length looks like. Oh, there you go. Okay, bye for this time. Okay, bye.